Hi, thank you for watching Hot Property Online. My name is Christian Harris. We're going to talk about the word stress test. We've been talking about that word for a year and a half now. Our people here in this office, we talk about it all the time. Probably many of you have seen us talk about it here on this video blog. But however, we're going to talk about it today for the people who don't know what it is and how does it affect them. It really affects everyone, and I'll give you an example of how. I just want to quickly explain what it is. Stress test, all that means is the government has asked the lenders to add 200 basis points or 2% above the client's contract rate and see if the client would still qualify. So if you're getting a rate of 3.5%, they've asked the bank to underwrite that mortgage at 5.5%. So who does it affect? Well, the people that it immediately affects are the people who are buying, whether your first home or your second home. They're typically looking for mortgage money. They have to qualify under the stress test. If you refinance, you want to clear out some debt, you now have to qualify through the stress test. If you have a mortgage coming up for renewal this year and you're going in and you're simply renewing your rate, you do not have to actually go through the stress test. There's no new underwriting. However, it could affect you because the banks may know you're going to have a more difficult time moving to another lender or shopping around for better rates, so they could, in theory, give you a higher interest rate on your renewal than maybe you're used to or you were hoping for. So it does affect everyone. When you're just renewing your mortgage, you don't have to requalify, but when I say it affects you, you may not get the most honest rate or the best rate that the bank has to offer. So really, you got to change your expectations. 5 years ago it was very easy to qualify for mortgages. It's the banks are really making it difficult to borrow more money. I know it sounds like a stressful thing. Don't let it stress you out too much. We have lots of options here. Understand when you go into your bank, if you're not liking what you hear, it's because things have changed. However, we do have solutions. Give us a call and we'll help you through. Thank you.